Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the network and internet section of Mageia Control Center. Let us start. Let us open the network control center, and here you can configure the wired as well as wireless connections. So I'm not going into detail. It's very easy, and plus some advanced settings that we need to see because these are special. You can disable the IPv6, disable the TCP window scaling, disable the TCP timestamps, disable the zero configuration route. You can also disable ICMP echo, disable ICMP echo for broadcasting messages, log strange packets, disable the invalid ICMP responses. So all this you can do it from here. And you can also change the wireless regulatory domain. So US is the standard. You can change over and select the domain for your country. For example, I think India should be also available if it is there. Yes, so I can change over to India to suit my local, and you have to just press OK. So that settings inside will stay change, and it will follow the Indian standards. Now let us go over to the setting up the this network. So you can set up network, that is the Ethernet. You can set up the satellite DVB connection. You can set up cable modem, DSL connection, ISDN, wireless, that is Wi-Fi, GPRS edge and 3G connections are also possible. You can do the configuration for the Bluetooth dial-up networking, the analog telephone modem, that is POTS, using this. So you have to just go on selecting, follow the steps, and your system, your network interface will be configured. And also you can remove any specific connection. For example, right now the wireless network is there, so I can remove it from here. You can personalize and secure a network. For example, you can configure the proxy from here. You can use the HTTP proxy, FTP proxy, and you can use no proxy for the comma separated list. So all this configuration can be done from here. Then you can share your internet with local machines. So for that, the configuration can be easily done using this tool. So you require the network Ethernet adapter to configure this. So right now the Ethernet network adapter is not there, so we cannot show you. Then you can manage the different network profiles. So you can have multiple network profiles. You can create, delete and activate the network profiles that are available here. So these are all handy tools to manage your network and the internet connection. You can configure the VPN connections to secure net access. So you can configure either the OpenVPN or the Cisco VPN concentrated using this tool in the Mageia control center. So the URPMI database is locked. Process 121043 is already using. So I think it will install some package for the OpenVPN, but it is not able to install that package because the URPMI database is locked. So we cannot so we cannot install the packages for the OpenVPN. So that's it. But you have got the idea. The capability, the features of this Mageia control center are very vast. And also you can configure the host, you can say host definitions. So this is right now the local host, that is the loopback connection. So you can add the host here. So it will be connected to the host file, and you can change the host. So that's it. And I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the system section of the Mageia control center. So see you then. Bye bye.